Worried about the security of your Gmail account? In this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to turn on Gmail two-step verification to add an extra layer of protection. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of Gmail. From the drop-down menu, select Google Account. This takes you to the main settings page where you can manage everything about your account. On the left side, click Security. Under the Signing into Google section, you'll see two-step verification. Click it, and then hit Get Started on the next page to begin the setup process. Google may ask you to re-enter your password for verification. Type it carefully and click Next. Now choose a second verification step. The most common method is your phone. Make sure your number is correct, then click Send to receive a text or call, enter the code you receive, and click Next. Finally, you'll see a Turn On button. Click it to activate two-step verification. From now on, whenever you log into Gmail, you'll need both your password and a unique code sent to your phone, adding an essential extra layer of security. You can always return to your Google account settings to manage verification methods or add a security key. Enabling two-step verification is a simple but powerful step to protect your online presence and keep your Gmail safe. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick Gmail security tips.